Hey, how you going? Brad from Platinum Solar Designs here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reconnect your Wi-Fi to your SMA inverter. If you've recently purchased a new modem, lost internet connection, or you've changed your password, you're going to find this video extremely useful. The inverter we're using for the video you may not recognise. Your inverter will be either red or blue. To reconnect the Wi-Fi, you need to be standing next to your inverter with a smart device. The first step is to grab your smart device and go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the inverter's Wi-Fi name. To open up the Wi-Fi list on your smartphone and look for the name that starts with SMA followed by some numbers. Once you've clicked on the SMA Wi-Fi name, you need to input a password. The password is the WPA number on the sticker located on the side of the inverter. Once you have connected to the SMA's Wi-Fi, you need to open up your internet browser and type in the IP address 192.168.12.3. Next, you want to click on the three white lines located in the top right hand corner. Then scroll down to device configuration. Next, you want to click on edit parameters. Scroll down to system communication. Then WLAN. Then security. Type your household's Wi-Fi name into the SSID and then input the password. If you have correctly done this, scroll back up to the top and click on Save All. Once you've set up the Wi-Fi on the inverter, you'll notice that it will be a blue light. This showcases that there has been a successful connection. Great news, now your system monitoring is back up and running. I hope you found this video helpful.